Okay, so today with Adam's Reserve Cheddar, we're gonna make some super creamy cheese sauce. 3 ingredients, but one of them's a little technical. Don't be too scared of it. Half a cup of milk, 2 cups of grated Adam's Reserve Cheddar. And then this is the little technical part, right? Sodium citrate. It's the natural salts from citrus, derived with citric acid, so not a super strange chemical. Also known as sour salt. I've never found it in a grocery store, so I ordered it online. This is a little 50-gram packet, and it'll make about probably 10 batches of this cheese sauce, right? It's probably like $6-ish, right? So we're gonna use 3/4 of a teaspoon total. So half a cup of milk, 2 cups of cheddar, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of sodium citrate. Give that just a little stir to mix in the sodium citrate. And put it in the microwave for 1 minute to start. After the minute's complete, we're gonna give it a little stir, put it back in the microwave for probably another 45 seconds or so. It's just gonna depend on how powerful your microwave is. You wanna get the temperature up to about 160 degrees, not too hot because you'll start to curdle the cheese, not too cold, cheese won't melt. And then the trick to it is some type of blender. You can put it in like a stand blender, or you can use an immersion blender. Either one works perfectly, but you really need that force. You can try to whisk it, but it's just not gonna give you that emulsification like you really want. Okay, so our minute's up, starting to melt on the top. And the reason why you do a minute and then 45 seconds is you'll get hot spots like you do in a microwave, and you'll end up curdling parts of the cheese, and you really don't want that. So stir it back in for another 45 seconds. Okay, the last 45 seconds are up. Let's give it a little check. Thermometer says 140. Give it another 15 seconds. Okay, 150, close enough. All right, so you can see it's still milk and melting cheese, right? But once you put the blender in there, and that's it. See how creamy that is, right? All right, so at this point, it's just phenomenal cheese sauce. Its seasoned amount is good because of the sodium citrate, has salts naturally in it. I'm gonna turn this into a little bit of queso. So here I've got a half of a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Drop that right in, give this a stir. Before I put the chili powder and the cumin in there, I could have mixed macaroni noodles in there, put it over broccoli, drizzle it onto an omelet, whatever it is really just a super versatile, super creamy cheese sauce. Find yourself some sodium citrate, get some Adam's Reserve Cheddar, a little bit of milk, and have some fun. Let us know what you guys make with it, and we'll see you guys in a week or so.